Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So festive season is right around the corner, and for today's look I have created this Ganesh Chaturthi makeup tutorial. It is a beautiful orange and cold hello smoky sunset kind of an eye look, and wait for the eyeshadow part because today I'm going to use an eyeshadow palette that is extremely affordable and that just surprised me because the quality is super duper good, so high end, and it is a hidden gem at the drugstore, so do not skip that eye makeup part. Anyway, you can create this look for Durga Puja, for Diwali as well. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I am starting with my base, and for that I am using my NYX Marshmellow primer, and I am just priming my entire face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. It's really important to prep your skin before going on with your foundation, otherwise your foundation will not look good. For color correcting, I am mixing this L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange and Yellow color correctors together to create my own custom shade, and I am applying it underneath my eyes, around my mouth, as well as wherever I have pigmentation and dark spots. It will help to neutralize all those dark patches, and my concealer, my foundation will not look grayish or like a little dark in color. For my foundation, I am using my favorite Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230, and I will apply a really thin layer of the foundation because I do not want a full coverage. I just want to even out my skin tone, and a thin layer always lasts long. So yeah, I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. If you want that full glam, full coverage, then you can totally build it up, or you can go with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. That one is like super duper full coverage. For highlighting and concealing, I'm using my favorite NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Soft Beige, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, on the center of my forehead, as well as on the sides of my mouth, and I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. And this concealer is again one of my favorite concealers, and it is kind of a medium to buildable full coverage, does not crease easily, and this particular shade has a beautiful like yellow undertone to it, which is perfect for cancelling out the darkness underneath the eyes. And I am applying the same concealer on my eyelid as well. It will act as an eyeshadow primer. I am setting my under eye area as well as my eyelid, my smile lines using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 Light, and I am using this setting brush from Real Techniques. To set my entire makeup, I am using my Loreal Infallible powder foundation in the shade Sand Sable, and for my contour, blush and highlight, I am using this Maybelline Master Studio face palette in the shade medium, and I am contouring the parameters of my face using the bronzer shade. I was using this particular palette after a really long time, and I was surprised the way it blended. It used to be my favorite, and it is a really nice quality. The bronzer is very smooth. You can see there is no patchiness, no powderiness whatsoever. The blush is so good, the highlighter is so good. I do not know if this palette is available or not, but in case you are a beginner, or in case you want something like all-in-one kind of a palette, definitely check this palette out. If it is available, just grab it. The quality is so good. And yeah, I'm just applying the blush here and taking that highlight shade. I'm just hitting the high points of my face. You can see how gorgeous that highlighter is. You can tone it down if you want to, and you can really make it popping. And now I'm going to do my eye makeup, but first I am doing my brows using my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm just filling the gaps and sparse areas here. For my eyes, today I am using this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in the shade Sun Dazed, and first I'm taking this light orange shade from the palette, and this is going to be my transition color, and I am applying it with a large fluffy blending brush. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I recently picked it up, and the quality, oh my goodness, this quality is high-end. Nobody can tell that it is a $3 eyeshadow palette, and I think in India it is around 300 rupees. This is a perfect travel size, and the quality, you are getting 3 shimmer shades and 2 matte shades. All the shades are pigmented, they blend beautifully, and you are also getting a topper shade within this eyeshadow palette. So if you want to amp up the look, you can definitely use that topper shade as well. Look how beautifully the shadow is blending. Now I am taking this darker orangey brown shade from the palette, and I am going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye, on the outer V area, and you can see how pigmented the shadow is. Though it is pigmented, it is not powdery, it is not patchy at all, and you can see how beautifully the shadow is blending. Guys, do not skip on this particular eyeshadow palette. It is bomb degree. In case you are into that color story, definitely go and check it out. Beautiful. Now I'm taking this like fiery orangey gold shade from the palette, and I am applying it on the center part of my eyelid. I'm going to keep it really simple, nothing too crazy, so that my beginner girls can do this eye makeup easily. I have not used any setting spray, or I have not used any glitter primer, but still the shadow is applying really nicely. It is a shimmer shade, and it is so opaque, so pigmented, foiled, metallic, and beautiful. I just love it, and I cannot wait to create more look using this eyeshadow palette. I'm just blending out the edges of the golden shade, and you can see here is the final eye look. The shadow, the blend, the gradation, you can see how stunning this eyeshadow palette is. And now I'm just using my Maybelline eyeliner, Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner in the shade Black is Black, and I am not creating a wing today. I'm just lining the lid area here with my Morphe 2500 brush. With my Milani eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark, I'm just tightlining my eyes. This is basically a matte black kajal pencil. You can use any kajal pencil that you have in your collection. Taking that like darker brown shade, I am smudging out my entire lower lash line, and taking that orange shade, I am just smoking out the border of the previous shade, just to tie the look together. I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bones using the highlighter from the Maybelline palette. And now I am just elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye, and I am giving it a V shape so that my eyes look wider and bigger. I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I am applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. If you are not into false lashes, you can totally skip it. In that case, just apply a lot of mascara and you will be good to go. I just love doing falsies, that's it. And here is the completed eye look. I really liked it. It is so beginner friendly. It is really easy to recreate, and the eyeshadow palette is top notch. I'm taking my e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm just setting my entire makeup in place so that it does not smudge or budge. And for my lips, I am aligning my lips using my Colourpop lippy pencil in the shade Love Bug. For my lips, I am using my favorite Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. They recently changed the formula of these liquid lipsticks, and it is even more creamier and even more comfortable. And that is pretty much it. Is the final look. All my jewelries are from Amazon. I will try to find the link and I will mention them in the description box down below. I really loved how the entire look came together. I think it is so pretty, so festive, and this is just a perfect look for all your desi traditional outfits. You can definitely create this look with your western outfits as well. I truly loved how the look turned out. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below as well, so please don't forget to check them out. So yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.